Hey guys, today a customer came with this MacBook Air 2020. He said that the display stopped working. Even though on the display there is no sign of crack or anything, usually in the MacBook there is an internal display which can easily be broken. And we tried to plug in the charger and see it's still taking power, so we will have to change the entire screen. If you need any repairs, you can always come to Oshi Tech. We are located in Cannock Center. We'll leave our address in the description. Feel free to ask any question, and I'll enjoy the rest of the video.